12th, 2021. This is when I got a call from a guy. He's got a space heater that won't shut off. He says it's running. He says the top thermostat device doesn't seem to be working. It runs continuously, so I'm gonna go over there. I talked to him on the phone a couple of different things, and I don't like answering questions over the phone unless I'm there, because you can get yourself in trouble that way. So he wants me to go by there and give it the once over and tell him what he needs to do or fix it or whatever. So it says it's a 2010, so it's probably 11 years old. It's a Humphrey, I think he said, or we're gonna go look at it.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Milton Street.
Nice day here. It's about 60 degrees out, Molly. Oh yes, next level, y'all. Next level. It's next level. Next level. All right, let me see. It's got wires on it.
Yes. Wires connected down here.
2 red wires.
To the gas valve, and one goes over to this.
And then it's got a probe on it. Does the pilot stay on or no?
The pilot's on now.
Okay.
The only way we can turn it on and off now is by turning the on and off switch on the valve on and off.
Okay.
If you want me to move this couch, let me know, and I'll just...
Yeah, if you don't mind pushing it a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Now, where'd you get my number?
Phone book, or internet, I should say.
And so you gotta turn it on for it to work?
Yeah, just turn the black knob straight up and down to on.
Oh, so there we go, right?
Right.
Then, no, listen, when I disconnect this, it will shut off. Oh, it's the gas valve. See, because I got it disconnected. It's still running.
Right, so that's kind of the problem we have
It's
now.
the gas valve.
Oh,
Well, there it goes. It shut off. Got kind of a delay on it though, huh?
Strangely, it's just that wire, huh?
Alright, so when we put these two together, right, just like,
Goes on.
then when we disconnect it,
Well, it does take a while.
it runs off millivolts, so it might have a little delay on it. Wait, quite a bit of a delay, huh?
Hmm.
Yeah, I think it's the gas valve. So this is open.
Right.
The gas valve's still running, so it's not that, it's the gas valve's bad. And you can get a gas valve from him?
That I don't know. I only spoke to him about the switch.
I could put another type of gas valve in there, but it's not going to be a power pile, it'll be a thermal couple style. See, it's still running?
Yeah.
So it's not the switch. I do have gas valves, but it's not going to be exact same one. Can't run this thing, it's not safe. Here, it's still on?
Yeah.
So it's not that.
Okay, good.
And your kid's been cranking on it, right?
Yeah, he shut it. The one upstairs, you can turn it past 0 and it's...
Yeah, so this is just the on-off switch. I do have gas valves in the truck, but it's got a knob like this, and then it's got the thermostat knob right on this part.
Right.
With its own probe, like the old style one you have. We can put a different type of valve on it. If you want to get the exact valve, you'd have to order it through that guy from
You Bedford Supply.
either that or you might be able to get it through Robinson's that does Cozy. Because the Cozy's a newer one. You want to get, you're gonna need a new gas valve.
Okay.
Get the model and serial number down right here, right? The date. You have the model and serial. It should be somewhere.
Yeah, they're right here.
Write that down and call around or get it online. And if you want me to put the valve in, I can. Either that or I got a retrofit valve, but it's going to be, I'd have to, put a I have to switch it over to a thermocouple type. But that's what your problem is.
Okay, cool.
At least you know, right?
Your first guess was right.
Well, I don't like to guess. If you guess, and we put that back together, we know that's not the problem. Because if we jumped it out, and then we unjumped it, it should shut off.
Right.
And then reconnected, it should fire back up. But when we tried that, it kept running, so we know it's in the gas valve.
Okay, cool.
Just going to be a service call, which is 96, unfortunately. Got to feed the dog,
Yeah.
And you're not going to run this thing, are you?
No, we'll have to use the stove to heat up down here, I guess.
Well, you got to go get an electric heater. I wouldn't use the stove, because the stove isn't safe. So is that the route you want to go? You want to?
Yeah, I'm gonna order the part.
Okay.
That's the way the one upstairs is, and that one's seems to
I have a valve. I have one in the truck.
Right.
But we'd have to, take it all apart and redo it all. And I mean, worst comes to worst, we can use that other valve. But then this wouldn't work.
Right. That's okay. I'll order
We ordered the right one.
order the right one, and then.
Now what's this all from?
There was a pot up there with water on it.
This thing's not cracked. If it was me, I'd get one of those electric heaters, because you don't want to run the stove, because you get a lot of carbon monoxide from this thing.
Right.
They're not designed to heat with.
Right.
Believe me. You don't want to die, do you?
No, not today anyway.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll wait to hear back from you on this, I guess.
Yes, sir.
You just want pets. I know you love pets. You love pets. All right, push over. Push over, Mrs. Needy. Alright guys, with that one there, it's a newer unit. I guess he wants to get the exact gas valve for it, so he knows a place where we can get the Cozy gas valve and whatever. Get it, and I'll go back and put it in. I don't have a problem with it. I have a gas valve in the truck that's like a universal one for them space heaters, and I'd have to convert it over to a thermocouple instead of a power pile. That one runs off a power pile generator, but whatever. I shut it off. I told him, I went over with him, connected the two wires on that thermostat upstairs with a jumper and disconnected it. Should have shut the gas valve off, and did shut off one time after a long delay. The second time it wouldn't shut off, so the gas valve's condemned. He thought it was a thermostat up top that was bad. Well, we determined that it wasn't that, it was the gas valve, and paid me my labor service call, and if he wants me to go back and put the gas valve in once he gets it, I'll go back and do that. I don't care. Well, put the one I got in. It's up to him. Told him to get electric space heater, little electric one for that house. It don't run the stove. It's not safe. Pretty warm out. I mean, it's been getting in the 50s during the day, so it hasn't been that cold. So what are you gonna do? The homeowner has to give you the okay to do stuff. Can't force people to do stuff.